Audio Jungle.
KUKA Robot Practice 3, Exercise 1, Navigator and Endless Loop. A program named C-Pick is first created. The TCP is guided to point 1 using PTP motion. The orientation of gripper must be correctly defined. The TCP is moved to the magazine location using combinations of PTP and linear motion. Notice that the block is right in front of the gripper. TCP is brought closer to the magazine using linear motion. Make sure that the block can be fully enclosed by the gripper jaw. A wait time of 2 seconds is created. After that, the block can be gripped by activating the out logic commands. Output 18 is set to true state whereas output 17 is set to false state. Another wait time of 2 seconds is created. Move the TCP backwards to point 5 using linear motion. TCP is moved further backwards to point 6 using linear motion. This step is to make sure that the TCP can return safely to the home position without striking other objects. The picking process is completed. Now, a second program named C-Place is created to place the block on specific location. The wrist of TCP is adjusted using PTP motion to orient the block perpendicular to the table. TCP is guided towards point 2, which is on top of location 7 by the means of PTP motion. Linear motion is used to slowly put the block down. Note that the block should be touching the table surface. After waiting for 2 seconds, open the gripper jaw by setting output 17 to true state and output 18 to false state. After 2 seconds, TCP will be moved linearly up away from the block. Finally, it will go back to home position. Next, the third program named C-Replace is created to put the block back to the magazine. The gripper position is adjusted and moved linearly down towards the block. After 2 seconds, gripper is activated. Move the TCP to point 3 using linear motion. The robot arm is brought upwards to point 4 using PTP motion. Adjust the position of TCP to point 5 using PTP motion. Then, linear motion is used to bring the arm closer to the magazine. Adjust the position and orientation of TCP so that the block is located right on top of magazine. Slowly place the block downwards in a straight line. Make sure that the edges of block are perfectly fitted inside the slot. After 2 seconds, release the gripping force to drop the block. Move the robot away from magazine before going back to the home position. Now, a new program named C-loop is created by combining the 3 programs to form an endless loop. In the program, click Configure, select I/O driver, press Log On and choose Expert User. After entering the password, resume back to the program. In line 4, start with a command loop. Then, insert the programs created in a correct sequence, which starts with C-pick, C-place and finally C-replace. Remember to put brackets at the end of each program. The loop will be closed by the command end loop. When running in automatic mode, the robot will execute the loop function and perform the task continuously. Exercise 2, Automatic External. In this mode, the KUKA control panel will not be used. The program is controlled by PLC and can be initiated by triggering several switches. First, several configuration inputs and outputs have to be modified according to the values given. By turning on the input switches in sequence, the program is then started. One of the advantages of this mode is that the program can be paused at any instant by turning off the switches. This mode is mainly used for operators to turn on and off a robot operation in industries.